Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bonbon in Roblox. First, you should check the Roblox avatar shop. Bonbon might be an accessory you can purchase directly for your avatar. Simply use the search bar within the shop and type in Bonbon to see if any items appear. If it's for sale, you can buy it using Robux, typically costing a few hundred to several thousand Robux depending on its rarity and creator. If Bonbon isn't an avatar shop item, it's likely an in-game collectible. Many Roblox experiences feature Find the Item challenges. Head to the Roblox Games section and search for titles like Find the Bonbons or Find the Candies. Always read the game's description carefully, as it often provides hints or outlines the specific steps needed to acquire unique items within that game. Once you're in a relevant game, the real hunt begins. Explore every corner of the map. Bonbons are often hidden in obscure locations, behind objects, or at the end of challenging obstacle courses. Pay attention to any glowing items or suspicious areas. Sometimes, you might need to complete a minigame or solve a small puzzle to reveal the bonbon, so be ready for a challenge. If you're struggling to find Bonbon, don't hesitate to use community resources. Many players create guides, maps, or video tutorials showing exact locations. Search on platforms like YouTube or Roblox forums for how to get Bonbon in-game name. Remember, some items are very well hidden, so persistence is key. Keep exploring, and you'll eventually add Bonbon to your collection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.